back to today's video. I've still got the Christmas decks up. I literally had all of this up in December, ready to film some videos, and it got so busy that I didn't even film any videos, and I feel so bad because look how nice it looks. The setup looks good. I don't even want to take it down now. I've been thinking maybe just film, slow down. Today's video I'm doing obviously this look that is on my face, and I've created it with the new P.Louise palette. As you know from my last P.Louise palette review, from her old palette, you know that I wasn't such a big fan of it. So please stay tuned to find out how I felt about this one. So I've just put the P.Louise base all over the lid, and I'm going to go in with, this is a brush that just has nothing on it, and I'm just going to blend out the edges just so it's easier, and just pat over it a bit when you put the foundation on. So I'm just blending that out into my skin, like the bits by the brows and the bit by the nose. So I'm going to compare the two palettes together. These are both P.Louise palettes. One of them's the first, one's the second. So this was the first palette. If you want to see the review I did on it, I'll link it down below. But you can see what colours I used the most. For example, let me just go over this red here, just a few times. Okay, we'll just watch the video, but the palette's kind of deteriorated as it's gone on, and I can't get no use out of the red no more. I did like this palette, I did use it, but I think it was just a bit overhyped. The ones that I did not get to use very much was the top two at the top here. The red and the yellow I didn't think were good at all. But anyway, time goes on, things improve, and now we've got this palette, which is the new P.Louise palette, the Secret Sinner one. Huge difference. Look how, one, how big it is, two, the packaging I think is just incredible. Amazing packaging. It's really thick, really big, sturdy palette. Great colours in here. I'm not sure what look I'm going to do yet. I'm just going to go with the flow. You've already seen it from the beginning, but we'll see. Amazing. I really like the look of this, and I have not touched it yet. I've waited till the new year for my first video to do it. And the other thing I got as well was the basic brights, or the bases that are in different colours. So I've got the bright ones here. I'm thinking of using the pink one over here, seeing how that goes. It's meant to be just like the base that I've used now, just in another colour, so when you do cut creases, etc., they look cute. So yeah, I'll leave that on the side. And even this, look at this packaging. Obsessed. All of it has been done with so much detail. I'm literally obsessed with the packaging. Like, impressed. Very impressed. Comparing it to the last palette. So the first colour I'm going to go in with, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is just a gesso brush. I'm going to start with S and M. One thing I have actually just noticed is a few of these colours are quite similar, because I'm looking at this one to use now, but this one here is quite similar. But I haven't tried them all to know, they could come out differently. But I'm going to go with this one first. S and M on the outside corner. That is very pigmented. That's good. That's really good. That's really good. Blending out really well. Yeah, I feel like this is already going to be better. This feels very soft. That's just dipping in once. Then as I get higher up towards the brow, I'm going to do lighter pressure so that it softens the edges. So that was just a really super cute pink colour, very pigmented, almost reminds me of like candy floss colour. So I'm going to go in with Obsession, and then after I'm going in with this one here, which is Love Struck. And I'm putting that on the inside corner, outside corner, and through the crease. And then I'm going to blend that with the last brush with a little bit more of that pink. Just blend them together. And then I'm just going to blend that out too. Just going to build up that brown a little bit more. And then I'm just going to add a bit of black from a different palette because there's no black in this palette, but I just want it to be a bit darker. I'm just focusing that right in the centre through the crease, and then lightly blend that because you don't want to blend too much away. Yeah, I like it like that. So now I'm going to go in with the basic brights. I don't think there's no names for them. Poppin Pink. I really like just the whole idea of these because I'm pretty sure I haven't seen these anywhere else. So I really like the idea of that. So I'm going to be doing a spotlight like halo cut crease. Oh yeah, definitely go with the bright pink. What was I on about? I will do a video of how to cut crease because I could never talk during, and it is quite a tricky process at times. Yeah, that's it. So then the next step, I do really like that pink. Before you put any eyeshadow on top to set it, is just blend out the edges. So the corners of this cut crease will need to be blended first. Obviously don't blend the line at the top. There, that was the whole point in the cut crease. But blend each side. Oh, that blends nice too. Oh. Definitely going over that pink, that looks so nice. So I'm going to set that, now I know what colour I'm going to do. So I'm going to use a brush that's similar, has a bit of a point on it, so it's easier to pat on because you don't want to go over that line. And what I'm going to do is use Infatuation, which is the bright pink, on the top half of the spotlight. Oh yeah. In the bottom half, I'm going to use the light pink. So S&M. Hopefully this works out. Yeah. S&M on the lower half, Infatuation on the top half. The next steps is to build up the colours again on each corner. So I'm going to build that up with Obsession. Blends nice on top. I'm just patting this. Yeah. Now I feel like I do need to put that black there. Let's just put a tiny bit, because I feel like it needs to like connect. So now that the eyes are on, I'm going to go on to my skin. You know what, I feel like I haven't actually filmed a makeup tutorial in forever. So there's a lot of new things I'm using. Basically everything. This is now my go-to Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love it so much. I'm obsessed with it. I did have it, and I think I just bought maybe a colour that was too light, or when it finished, I just didn't, I don't know if it finished, I think it's still over there, like my old one. Then I went and bought another one, a little bit darker, and now I can't get enough of it. This is the Iconic Drops, just all over my face. This isn't the original one, this is the blush. And then the foundation, so Too Faced Born This Way, my colour is Golden Beige. And I'm just using my Real Technique sponge. I do really like these brights bases. I think they're really good, really clever. And I do like the colours. And that's not the only one, I think she does another one that's pastels. So more pastel colours, which I think I might get now. I'm just avoiding the brows. And then I'm going in with concealer. This is Collection Concealer, and this one is in 0, which is the lightest one, but to me it's just like the number 1, which was the lightest one, but apparently it's not now. So I'm now going to go into my go-to Maybelline Matte Maker and just pat that on my under eye just to set underneath. And then I'm going to blend out around my brows This is just a clean brush. Foundation just goes straight into it to blend it. And then I'm going to go in with, this is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation, but I use this to contour. This is in shade Coco. Ooh, a little bit of contouring. And then I'm going to go in with some bronzer. This is MAC Give Me Sun. I'm using like a bigger brush so it spreads out more. So that's what I'm going to do for the bronzer. And then another new thing I've been using. This is the Mmmitchel Be Perfect Sub-Zero palette. Another one, I'm loving the packaging. So Mmmitchel did a collab with Be Perfect Cosmetics. Mmmitchel is a makeup artist who's known for his highlight, and this is like mental. I'm going to use Baebly, which is this one. I've been using this one the most. You can see I've hit pan already. Oh, wait till you see this, girl. Wait till you see this. I wonder if you can. Oh, you're ready. You're ready. The best highlight. Obsessed. Yes. Boom. Boom. You can see why I've hit pan now. You can say this is too much, but I don't care. I don't care. And then chin, tiny bit, right in the middle, lip, tip of the nose, not loads though, down the nose, and then I'll do it above the brow bone, going up. A look is not complete without this. Going back onto the eyes, back into the P.Louise palette. It's got to be pink underneath, hasn't it? Hasn't it? I'm going to go in with, oh my god, there's another pink I didn't even realise. There's so many pinks in here, I'm not even noticing them. I'm going to go back in with Infatuation. I feel like just lightly underneath. Lightly. Oh my god, I'm thinking of a whole new look here. Like, yeah, like that. I'm going to do a light colour line in my waterline. I've not done this in forever. I've been wearing black for a while now because that's just the way I like it. But I'm going to do this was a NYX pencil liner. It's called Faux Whites, and this one was in 03. It's a super light pink colour. That's one. I love that. Right, I'm going to put some liner on top. So this is just Rimmel Glam Eyes liquid liner. Still hanging on to my favourite mascara at the moment, even though it's so low, I need to get a new one. This is the iconic London mascara. I'm going to start with the bottom. Lashes. Tempted to put some sparkle on here somewhere. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to keep the lashes really light and fluffy underneath. I'm not going to go thick. I want more drama on top. Yeah, and then obviously you need to do the ones on top first because your lashes will now be pink, like mine. Oh, this look came out so much better than expected. And then some lashes. Right, those are on. And now I've got some lit glitter here. They had a Black Friday sale, so I had these before Christmas. And I'm just thinking what one to put in a corner. I've got here Boogie Wonderland. And this is just called Heavy Metal. It's just put a bit of glue on my hand, a little bit of glue in the corner, pick up the glitter. Oh! That is cute. Oh, I want more now. That can get carried away. Don't get carried away. Oh, that is a nice bit of, that was just Heavy Metal. That wasn't Boogie Wonderland. Rimmel London Tiramisu, obviously. And then I bought my first ever Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. This is, it's just nude. Such a nice nude. It's almost like a peachy nude. It is drying though, it is really drying. Which means I'm going to put a gloss on top. Who's brought out new glosses, you say? Holly Boom. So I've got H&B Cosmetics. This one is Yes Girl. I did get 2 of them. I can't remember what colour the other one was. Really love the colours. So I'm going to put that on top. Oh, goes lovely with this. My main products, all from Makeup Artist, that are slaying. So this is the complete look. I'm so happy with it. I am literally obsessed with the eyes right now. And I'm just going to do a quick review on the palette. P.Louise is very known, mainly in the makeup artist world, but she's going to be out there with everyone else. She's really upped her game with the new palettes, the new packaging, the colours. It's just a whole different ball game that she has started. As you know from the first video, that I wasn't a fan. It was hard to blend, and it wasn't the base's fault, because I did use the base and I couldn't tell if it was the base or the palette. And I think it is the palette. So you know that I'm going to give you my complete honest review. I bought these myself because I genuinely really liked the look of them, and I was going to give it another go, see if she's upgraded everything and done a lot better, which she has. Let me just grab the old one again. Obviously the old one is dirty, but you can just see a huge difference in these palettes. This is so luxurious. This mirror is like full on heavy. It's no like little one you take around with you. This is a full on mirror. The colours are so good. From what I've used, obviously I've used 2 different pinks and I've used 2 different browns, but they've all felt exactly the same in texture. So they all blend really well, they all feel soft and really nice and pigmented. Whereas this palette, some of them were really good, some of them were really hard to pick up, and it was the ones that I really wanted to pick up that just didn't. But I've kept this just for some of the colours that are left that I do really like. The basic brights I also really loved, because I've obviously used the pink, and as I've just gone to wash my hands, we've got this here which is stained, and I've done it with makeup remover as well. I'm not going to criticise that, just because it's a normal thing for bright colours, especially pink, in eyeshadows to stain your lids. And it won't be until you actually get in the shower or actually properly wash your face that it comes off. So for me to see that the pink is stained, I completely understand really. I don't know if it will with the others, but I'll see when I actually get to them. But other than that, really like it. It hasn't even creased. Obviously I've used the base today, I've used basically everything. I just want to say that I love the Holly Boom lip gloss and the Mmmitchel highlight as well. Just bigging up all the makeup artists right now that are in here, because I've just noticed it is basically all makeup artists, and I love that everyone is just growing together. I hope you like this look, especially for the new year. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!